Schwab angin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pin yok kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
Ya ke Meghalaya's first international film festival, ke lasdang naduh khat sau tarik Lber, la pynhap pyrda no mynta ke sngi, ke khat pra tarik Lber da ke mentri badai khmih ya ke tnad information and public relation, jong ke sorkar jylla ke kong Ampareen Lyngdoh. Ya ke film festival, ke pynlong da ke Meghalaya Film Makers Association, MeFilma, lawan banyi Shim Bynta lang, u actor pawnam ke Bollywood u Sanjay Mishra, bat ki actress ke Vietnam bat Bhutan.
The closing ceremony of the first Meghalaya International Film Festival.
Ai lạ như người vậy? Rất
International Film Festival. Wow. Commander sir ने सही कहा, बहुत सारी opportunities and creative work, ये बहुत खूबसूरत है. और अभी ये just born baby है. I think after 10 years ये prestigious film festival होगा. Very nice, very nice. जिन लोगों ने इसको सपोर्ट किया है, जो लोग आगे आए हैं इसके लिए, सलूट के काबिल है. It's a very good, and मेघालय and not Bollywood, Indian film. आज हमारी फिल्म एक सॉन्ग ऑस्कर में जीती है, एक फिल्म एलिफेंट वो विस्पर जीता है. ये हमारी इज्जत है, इंडिया की इज्जत है. और अब मेघालय का भी इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा. आई एम सो हैप्पी. एंड शिलोंग आके लिटरली मैं बचपन से शिलोंग आना चाहता था. यहाँ का रेडियो स्टेशन मुझे बहुत पसंद था. 8:30 पे सुबह यहाँ शुरुआत. तो क्या है शिलोंग, क्या है शिलोंग, बट बहुत प्यारा है शिलोंग. एंड यार तुम लोग कुछ पूछ लो मुझसे, मैं क्या बोलूँ. प्लीज.
On behalf of the government of Meghalaya, we can assure one thing to this kind of an attention made to talented people in the state of Meghalaya. We will be investing, we will be investing in large amounts to ensure that we support this unique ability of our people to naturally perform and naturally also host a film festival of this nature. We look forward to better programs of this nature, and I can assure you that the Honorable Chief Minister sends his namaste to all of you, and he definitely wants to encourage this industry in the state of Meghalaya. In fact, since last year, he has been wanting to invest huge amounts to ensure that the talent in the state of Meghalaya is nurtured and taken in the right direction. We are so grateful to all the people who have partnered for the success of this film festival. I must thank all the artists themselves, the writers, the directors, the various organizations that have brought their films to this great meeting of minds, talking about the different facets of life, their cultures, and we want to assure you that you will be seeing more of these kinds of programs in the state of Meghalaya in the near future. And the state is committed to ensuring that we give the correct attention to this one huge industry, which will be a multiplying factor of jobs for the people of the state of Meghalaya. We will be meeting again in the years to come, and Commander, I want to give you the assurance that the government of Meghalaya will encourage your leadership to ensure that more such festivals are held in the state of Meghalaya.